Welcome to our Golden Lighting vlog, part 4. We're going to be doing the fixture installation today. So right now I am just taking down my old fixture. I've made sure to turn off my breaker. It's recommended that you do this so that way nothing is live and there is no electrical hazard. You're going to want to flip off any switches that are related to the room. I have several kitchen switches, like the kitchen GFI, a general kitchen switch, as well as one that's in the kitchenette, so I just switched them all off. And I finally got this down. I was so happy. So now we're going to get to connecting your wires. So my assistant was available. You should have an assistant with you to support the weight of the fixture, even if it is a small fixture like this semi-flush, for instance. Once you hold it for a while, your arms get really tired. So having an assistant there is really great to do this wiring. So you're going to connect hot to hot, neutral neutral, ground to ground, and if you don't have a ground wire, you will attach it to that green screw that we talked about in a previous video on the mounting strap. So we've got it in. We're just going to add the deco nuts to secure the canopy to the ceiling, and it should be snug. We're going to turn the breaker on and we're going to test the fixture. Whee! And our light turned on. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We want to show you really quick the pivoting feature when it's installed. So you just loosen the thumb screw and you can pivot it like that. And you can do it for the entire 5 light fixture and have them all splayed out or down.